Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
इज़ाबेल, मैं आपसे भी जानना चाहूँगी क्योंकि आपकी सिस्टर कटरीना कैफ भी ज्वेलरी को की एम्बेसडर हैं। वो आपको जब आप कहीं बाहर जाती हैं किस तरीके की मदद आपकी करती हैं क्लोथ्स के साथ ज्वेलरी मैच करने में?
Basically, how do you match your jewelry with your clothes? And how does Katrina help you in
Well, for me, I guess it depends. I suppose, like with most people, what you're doing. Are you going to work? Are you going to an event, a party? In my personal life, I'm very much about statement pieces, something a little funky, something a little cool. So they'll tend to match my close to my jewelry more like that. Obviously, for events, you have to dress appropriately for work and stuff. So there, maybe you'll choose the jewelry that best goes with your outfit. As far as the way Katrina does it, she is going to be promoting Zero soon, and I think that'd be a very good time to ask her. She might be able to give you a better answer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi sir. क्या वजह रही कि आपने इस ब्रांड के लिए इज़ाबेल को ही खास चुना? What's the reason behind it? Because she is a new face, we all know, but what's the reason behind it कि Isabel is a brand ambassador of it?
See, today's consumer is primarily changing to a lifestyle. There is a whole contemporary lifestyle change which is happening. But also the fact of the matter is that they are still very Indian at heart, you know, and she is epitome of that in any case. And also, as I said, that if we are talking about, you know, different jewelry for different looks, you know, and we believe that she's the one who can carry it really very well with different looks. I mean, whether, as I said, it's a office wear or a daily wear or a party wear or an evening gown wear, or whether it's a traditional wear, whether it's for dandiyas, for example, you know, it's a festive look that you want to have. So she's the one who can represent the brand in the most proficient way. So हमने इसीलिए चुना कि भाई और the fact of the matter is also she is one of the brand ambassadors for Lakme, and Lakme is again about fashion, and you know, so, and jewelry, as I said, is very close to fashion industry, and that's the way we are going. So and fashion is also about having different looks, you know, and our jewelry is also about having different looks, different jewelry for different looks. So that's where we saw the synergy as well. So that's also one of the key reasons that, and besides, she's a dear friend.